Meaning of Manchester United.
Manchester United. Manchester United.
Manchester United Football Club is a professional association football club based in Old Trafford, Greater Manchester, England. The club was founded in 1878 as Newton Heath Lyr Football Club, and was later renamed Manchester United in 1902. Manchester United is one of the most successful and popular football clubs in the world, with a rich history of success on the pitch. The club has won a record 20 English League titles, 3 European Cups, 1 UEFA Cup Winners' Cup, 1 UEFA Super Cup, 1 Intercontinental Cup, and 1 FIFA Club World Cup.
Manchester United. Manchester United.